Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, research mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And yeah, let's start your reading. This for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What do we have here for Earth Sign, please? Love reading. Compassion is here. And reconciliation. Confidence is also here. Manifestation and truth. So for what I can see here, you see this person as a person na pwedeng nakikita mo may spiritual connection sa inyo. You want reconciliation. Nakikita natin na mina-manifest mo itong taong ito sa buhay mo. Galit ka sa kanya or may times na naiinis ka sa kanya, there's this tug of war, push and pull. May times na tinutulak mo siya, hihilahin mo siya, tulak mo na naman siya you don't know what to do because you are actually manifesting this person pero ayaw mong may gawain sa connection ninyo. Maybe you don't want to show yourself. Maybe you don't want to connect with this person na ikaw yung makikipag-communicate. Maybe there's a lot of conflict, a lot of fight. Maybe there's a lot of, it depends naman kung ano yung meron sa situation ninyo. Pero sa nakikita natin dito, hindi mo magawang gumawa ng action sa ngayon because maybe nililimitahan mo ang iyong sarili. And maybe you are connected spiritually sa person na to, but for now, you are focusing on your finances, material connections, or material, usaping career. So, nandun yung focus mo. Okay? And, I can see twin flame connection para sa iba. Kasi I can hear the word or, nakikita ko yung word ngayon na entwine. Yan. So, entwine as one. So, you could be dealing with a twin flame. Person nakakonect mo, you do have your trust. With the word itself, trust. Pero nakakaramdam mo ko ng energy ng person na mataas ang ego. You do have here the travel. So yeah, maybe a person na malayo sa'yo. Maybe may distance, like kailangan pang mag-travel in order for you to see this person or vice versa. Kailangan pa niya mag-travel para makita ka. This person is someone that you really do like. Nagugustuhan mo kung ano nakikita mo sa kanya. Maybe you see this person as kung lalaki, gwapo, or kung babae, maganda. Physically you are attracted to this person. You see this as someone na cute. Parang ganun. Attracted ka sa kanya physically. And yeah, a person na maybe, this is the feeling naman nararamdaman niya towards you. So, nakikita ka niya as a person na maraming talents. This person sees you as someone who is very spiritual. And, interesado siya sa'yo. This person is interesado sa'yo with regards to the place also na meron ka or the people around you. Okay? I'm seeing a person who is kunwari lang ganyan but kunwaring mataas ang ego, walang pakialam, but nakikita natin yung activity niya sa social media. This person is searching your name, searching pati yung mga kamag-anak mo, sinesearch nitong taong to, and I can see yung pag-i-spy sa kanya through your social media. Anyway, emotions ninyo sa isa't isa for Earth sign, ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? Happiness is here, and imagination, honesty, doubt, change, one more card, and self-esteem. Okay, bottom of the deck, you do have here friendship. So, ang iyong emotions towards this person, sa ngayon you're happy eh. Masaya ka kung ano meron ka, masaya ka kung ano meron siya, masaya ka that you feel like you're on your right path, you feel like you're doing your purpose, you are being honest sa iyong sarili mo, and tinatry mong i-embrace kung ano yung mga bagay na ibinibigay sa iyo ngayon. Maybe this person is naaalala mo or laging nasa isipan mo, but you're trying your best, no? Na mag-focus sa reality, sa realidad, and you're being happy or trying to, focus on happiness. Pagdating sa person na to, this feeling of medyo mababa ang tingin niya sa sarili niya. There's this feeling na pwedeng maraming pagbabago ang nararanasan niya ngayon. So, ito yung nagiging dahilan para lalong bumaba ang tingin niya sa sarili niya dahil feeling niya ay hindi siya okay. Hindi siya naka-align sa kanyang purpose. This person is nababago yung paningin niya sa'yo. Maybe in the past, he or she feels like you are someone na nakakapagpagising sa kanya, and ayaw niya yun. You're unique. Para sa kanya, you are unique. Ikaw lang nakagawa sa kanya ng ganon. I don't know. Parang may mga ginawa ka para sa kanya na hindi niya naranasan sa iba. So, you are kind of like a unique person para sa kanya. What will happen in the future para sa inyong dalawa? You do have your peace, fertility, and strength. Okay. And also you do have your forgiveness. Okay. You do have your clarity, answers, and manifestation. So, in the future, nakikita natin that you are, dahil nag-focus ka sa happiness mo, fertility is here. So, I can see growth pagdating sa'yo, within you. You are stronger than before. Nagiging matapang ka or mas malakas or mas magaling ka dahil natututunan mong tanggapin kung ano yung mga nakaraan, kung ano yung wala sa'yo, kung ano yung mga kaaway mo. Some of you, you're learning how to forgive and to forget, which is maybe in the past, hindi ka ganun tao. Ikaw yung tipo ng taong, oy, may kasalanan ka sa akin, hanggang kamatayan galit ako sa iyo, parang ganun. But sa nakikita nga ngayon, you are learning how to, and in the future, dahil nagkakaroon ka ng at peace kind of energy pagdating sa mga kaaway mo, kalaban mo, at sa isipan mo, sa sarili mo, sa mga bagay na hindi mo na-accomplish dahil natututunan mong natanggapin ito and mag-focus sa mga bagay na ibinibigay sa'yo or blessings na dumadating sa buhay mo. You are being a stronger person. And, yeah, a lot of, kalmado na energy sa'yo. With regards to your person, nakikita natin that soon enough marirealize niya kung ano ka talaga sa buhay niya. Especially if this is a twin flame connection. Maaaring marirealize niya na kailangan niya ng pagbabago sa buhay niya. And this person will try to find the answer sa mga signs na ipinapakita sa kanya. And this person will try to manifest you into reality. And this person, nandun yung deep longing eh. Ngayon pa lang nangyayari na yun. Yung longing, yung pagkagusto niya, or paghahangad niya na maybe magkaroon ng connection or pagpansin mula sa'yo. And then, I feel like in the near future, this person will try to find answers. Maybe through psychic or, pakikinig din ng tarot readings. So, pwedeng isa ito sa maging makita ng person mo, no? Na paraan kung paano magkakaroon ng katanungan or sagot sa mga katanungan niya. Maybe hindi man siya direct na communicate sa'yo. Pero, yun nga, katulad ng ginagawa mo, yung iba sa inyo, nanonood ka ng tarot readings para malaman kung ano yung nasa isipan niya, anong gusto niya sabihin, etc. Then, pwedeng ito rin yung gawin ng person na ito para malaman niya kung kamusta ka na ba. Okay? And bukod doon yung pag-i-spy. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.